Baby Bluey woke up early, tail twitching, ears perked, calling, "Mama! Mama!" Chilli appeared smiling, arms open wide. Baby Bluey giggled loud, bouncing on the soft blanket. "Let's play, Mama!" Could mornings be this magical? Mama picked her up gently, holding her close. "Good morning, my little one," Chilli whispered. Baby Bluey wriggled. "Today is special, right?" Bingo peeked in. "Can we join?" Bluey smiled, watching carefully. Could curiosity and excitement fill the room? Chilli set Baby Bluey on the floor, showing colorful blocks. "Let's build a tower together." Baby Bluey grabbed one, stacking carefully, wobbling slightly. Mama guided her paws, higher, careful. Bluey and Bingo cheered, Muffin and Socks joined, tails wagging. Could playtime feel this adventurous? Suddenly, the tower tumbled, blocks scattering. Baby Bluey gasped, eyes wide, ears flopping. "Oh no!" Chilli laughed soft, picking up blocks. "It's okay, we'll rebuild." Baby Bluey clapped, again. Could small setbacks make fun even bigger? They built, stacked, balanced, and finally, a tall, colorful tower stood. Baby Bluey squealed, "We did it, Mama!" Chilli hugged her tight. "Yes, we did, my little star." Bluey and Bingo cheered, jumping high. Could teamwork feel this joyful? Later, Mama led Baby Bluey to the garden, pointing at flowers. "Smell the roses, look at the butterflies." Baby Bluey twirled, tail wagging, eyes sparkling, so pretty. Muffin and Socks chased petals, Bingo tried to catch butterflies. Could simple moments feel like magic? As the sun dipped low, Baby Bluey snuggled in Mama's arms, yawning soft. "Thank you, Mama, for everything," she whispered. Chilli kissed her forehead, "Always, my love." Bluey and friends waved, tails wagging, smiles wide. Could love feel this warm and endless? Baby Bluey turned to the camera, eyes sparkling, tail wagging. If you loved our day, hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, laughter, and special moments with Mama. The garden glowed golden, laughter echoing, hearts full. Could one day with Mama feel unforgettable and magical?